Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Then we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and you got about 3s minus number 2. Because we still have s, so I will put negative number 2 go to the left, and we divide both sides by number 3. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about 2u du equals to number 3 ds. First derivative of s, you got about number 1. First derivative of the constant, you got about 0. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. Now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 in here. 3 minus 2, you got about 1. The square root of number 1, you got about 1. When s equals to number 6, so we put number 6 gone here. You got about 18 minus 2, you got about 16. The square root of number 16, you got about 4. So number 1, we keep number 1. Number 6, we change by number 4. The square root, we change by u. S, we change by this one. The s, we change by this one. U and u, we simplify. And this one, I will put outside. Now we just have this one left. So we need to expand this one. So number 9 and number 3, you got about 2 over 27. And now we got the final answer. The integration of u to the power of 4, you got about u to the power of 5 over 5. Similar for the next one, number 2, you got about 3 over 3. And number 4, you got about 4u. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 4. And now we got the final answer. So we calculate about this one. You got about 334 over 15. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.